Hello, my name is Juan Manuel Gaitan Pajoy. I am a student. I attend Adunat University. I am going to talk about an unusual experience. I must use present perfect. Well, this is the story. First, I have trained soccer since I was 11 years old. I have jogged since this year due to the coronavirus. I wanted to be in a good shape. When I was running on October, I found a Venezuelan person and he said, I have seen before you are a type. When he said that, I said, I have jogged all morning. I don't have idea who are you. After that, he was really near to me and I started to run and he started to scream, he has stolen my bike, he is a thief. When I heard that, I saw and I have stopped at the store and many people was around to me. After that we started to fight and the police arrived and I talked with the police and I said I have run all morning. I don't know who is him. The Venezuelan person say, I'm sorry, I have made a mistake. I have worked honestly since I have lived in Colombia. I'm sorry, and it was the story.